Okay, so we got a code P0158. That's the code we got. It's not gonna pick up. Like my camera is not gonna pick up. But it says heated oxygen to bank 2 sensor 2 voltage high. And we got a new sensor, NTK. That's the part number right there. Compatible. We're gonna replace this baby right now. All right, guys, we got a 2015 Acura MDX. We got a lean condition. We got a check engine light for this oxygen sensor. It's giving us trouble. So we had a mechanic shop that did the transmission work on it. We don't know what they did. They yanked it. We don't know what the hell they did. But the sensor was just hanging here. So I took the sensor out. So this is bank 2, sensor 2. Customer went and got another sensor, so I disconnected it. What I did was I used this electrical cleaning spray here. I sprayed this down very well and I cleaned it with the air. I blew some compressed air on this baby because we don't want any oil. You see this is soaked up in oil right here. It's got so much oil and grease on it. So the next step here was, and when I got a tool, this is 22 millimeter. We're gonna put this baby on and I'm gonna just yank it really hard and we're gonna loosen this sensor up. And once it's loose, we're gonna just take the socket off. And I should be able to, so it has a slot here where it goes through this cables here. You never want to damage those cables. So it could have been that it had oil on it, but we did a pretty good job cleaning that. But we're gonna replace it anyway. We got a new sensor. Can you pass me the box for the sensor? So this is a sensor. It looks really crappy. Usually I would recommend you guys cleaning it. A lot of times these will fail. And so we got a new sensor here. I'm going to show you guys the part number on this baby. So you always want to check the wiring. It's 4-pin. It's a 4-pin, 4 wires. It's probably going to have same color as you see. Okay, I see the issue here. It's damaged. Okay, the sensor is damaged. This wiring here, they must have yanked it and damaged this guy. So the wiring is damaged on this right there. You can see. Anyways, let's take a look at the box of the oxygen sensor. Can you pass me the box?
I threw it inside the car, bro.
All right, so I'll show you at the end of the video. He put that in the car. So anyways, I'll show you that box so you get the part number. So this baby got a little bit of anti-seize on it. It comes like that, so we don't need to do nothing here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the sensor right on. So again, this is bank 2, sensor 2. Bank 1 will be in the back here, all the way down here. You can see the sensor up there, right through here. It's a little difficult, but you can get it from the wheel well there. Anyways, this guy goes on. We're gonna put our tool on it and we're gonna give it a nice and snug to the sensor. There you go, just like that. We're done there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of electric grease here. This is good for connectors to give you a solid connection on your sensors and anything else. Anyways, I'm gonna get help from my friend here. And we're gonna put a little bit of greasing on it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit on each of these holes here for the pin, or just put a whole bunch on it, and then it should go all the way in. You can only put it on one. You can put it on both, but one should be fine. A little bit more. A little bit more on this side here. All right, that looks good. Anyways, time for this baby to go in, and you should hear it click. If you don't hear it click, your connector is not all the way in. There you go. That's the click you want to hear. So they broke the connection here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strap tie this right here so it doesn't hit anything, and that should be it. Anyways, after that, reset the light, but let me show you guys the code and the box on the sensor. But we're done here.